Once a monk came to king's palace. It was king's rule to fulfill any wish of the first person who came at his place to ask for anything. So king said to him, "Ask whatever you want." Monk was carrying a small alm pot with him. Holding it in his hand, he said, "Just fill it with gold coins." King thought, what could be simpler than this? So king asked his servant to bring gold coins to fill the pot. Gold coins were bought and put into the alm pot, but it remained empty. King asked for more coins to be put into that alm pot, but still it was looking empty. King emptied all his treasures, but that vessel remained empty. Everything king had was put into that pot, but it still remained empty. The more king put into that pot, the more it became empty. King realized that it was impossible to fill that pot because it was magical. King said, "Your vessel is not ordinary. It is beyond my ability to fill it. May I ask what is the secret of this vessel?" Monk started laughing and said, "There is no special secret. While I was walking, I found a man's skull, and this alm pot was made of that human's skull. As human mind is never full, so is this alm pot. It can never be filled. You can fill it with money, position, knowledge, or whatever, yet it remains empty because it is not made to fill with these things. Material hunger of man is endless, and while running behind all these desires, his life ends because of not knowing the basic truth of self-knowledge. More a man attains, more poorer he becomes. Desires of heart are not pacified by getting things, because heart is made of attaining God. There is no satisfaction except the divine. Nothing is impossible of filling a man's heart except God. So this story tells us that what is the main thing which is very much necessary for a human being, and that is to reduce desires. Empty and clean closets of mind from material things, only then God can reside there.